Here we go.
Thunderstorms. Showers likely mainly in the evening.
Severe thunderstorm watch.
The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 2 now, effective until 1 a.m. Tuesday. This watch includes the following counties: Butler, Chase, Harvey, Marion, and McPherson. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, both in and close to the watched area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to Noaa weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.